Creating a password that is safe but easy to remember is often difficult. If it's too complicated, it will be hard to remember, while if it's too simple, it will be easy for others to guess. The solution: you can use the following method when creating a password. First, think of 2 or 3 words that are easy to remember. For example, your own name. In this video we use Murray Simone. Replace A, S, I, and O respectively with numbers 4, 5, 1 and 0, which have similar shapes, so that it says MURR4Y51M0NE. Replace the space character, which usually cannot be used in a password, with the tilde or ampersand symbols, so that it says MURR4Y tilde symbol 51M0NE. Final steps: keep using uppercase letters for consonants, while using lowercase letters for vowels, so that finally you get a password that is easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess, which is MU lowercase RR4Y tilde symbol 51M0NE lowercase. Get more hard to guess passwords by changing your name to place of birth, school name, pet's name, etc. Don't forget to click subscribe for more videos.